Mike, Janelle, that's right. Brothers Brother is ready and standing by to provide help with hurricane relief. The Red Cross already sent a team over the weekend down to the south, and it's no surprise that these Pittsburghers and others are among the first to help out.
The need is always there, and it's never enough.
The Steel City jumping into action to help Louisiana as cities and towns recover and rebuild after Hurricane Ida.
If you're at the window feeding, you can't even explain when you see somebody and you know the emotions on their face because they've lost everything.
John Breitweiser and Charlie Williamson, volunteers with the Red Cross in Pittsburgh, left Sunday, driving 1,300 miles to Texas to help with Ida relief efforts. Hurricane Ida bringing high winds and torrential rains. Coast Guard helicopters surveying the damage as first responders struggle to reach some of the hardest hit areas. More than 1 million without power in Louisiana and Mississippi.
We've been tracking the storm for the last few days, and we've been tracking where we expect the storm to be going.
Pittsburgh-based nonprofit Brothers Brother Foundation standing ready to send medical supplies and equipment. President Ozzie Samad says the best way people here can help is with financial donations.
What that enables us to do is listen to our partners on the ground and see what the needs are.
Now, Brothers Brother does not plan to send anyone down to Louisiana or the other states impacted, but the president says that their first step right now is working closely with food banks in those areas. If you would like to help out, you can log on now to WTAE.com to find out how. Reporting live, Kylie Walker, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.